Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in this video, my group will present about 5 technology in transportation. The first technology in transportation is the use of electric vehicle technology. Now, there are a few of electronic transportation, such as electric car like Tesla and electric scooter such as Beam. This electric transportation can save environment because it does not use petrol, which can cause air pollution for such a long time. Besides, some of electric car is powered by solar energy, which is good for environment. However, this technology consumes a lot of time to recharge, which may give us hard time if we want to use it rushingly.
In Malaysia, we are obligated to pay a toll when we use the road facility, especially the highway. The rates of toll are usually around RM1 ringgit until RM2 ringgit if you use a car, and different rate for different type of vehicle. The process to pay the toll needs to be as quick as possible to avoid busy traffic. Thus, Plus introduced a new technology of paying a toll, which is RFID. Before RFID was introduced, drivers depend on touch and go smart tag and cash payment, which cause many problems. The advantage of RFID is it is faster if we compare it with the other option. If they use touch and go and cash payment, the process will be slow and will cause busy traffic. And if they use smart tag, sometimes error will happen when it is smart tag. However, the cons of RFID is that not many people are aware of the existence of it and not convinced by its feature. There is a lot of information about RFID in which FID did not receive a warm welcome by citizens.
Next, the technological advancement in the transportation is the Hyperloop technology. Hyperloop is a magnetic port levitating inside a tube at more than 1,000 km per hour. The advantages of Hyperloop is it able to reduce pollution. It does not use fuel such as a plane that use kerosene, which directly contributed to the greenhouse carbon emission. Hyperloop running on electricity and solar energy. Besides that, Hyperloop allow us to save a lot of time during traveling in a long distance location. Hyperloop is 3.5 times faster than Shinkansen bullet train and even faster than Boeing 747. The disadvantages of Hyperloop is communication system challenge. It is because the steel tube prevents wireless signal from reaching the port. The last advantage of Hyperloop is probability of accident to happen. Hyperloop innovators said that Hyperloop able to depart every 3 seconds to 2 minutes. The shorter the gap between the port departure, the greater risk of the event of accident to happen.
Next, GPS. The main function of GPS system comes from the use of global navigation satellite system network. This network of satellites emits micro signals which are sent through to a variety of GPS devices, and these devices can be vehicles or smartphones themselves. For example, the information that is broadcast from the vehicle are things like location, vehicle and direction, so that we can use GPS to navigate our journey, and it increase our transportation efficiency. Thank you.
My name is Syafiq Syahmi bin Zulkifli, and trade number Y914637. I will talk about the technology used in transportation in terms of safety. The existence of technology in this aspect is important to ensure the safetyness of drivers and passengers. First technology is automated emergency braking. Using front-facing cameras and radar, vehicle with automated emergency braking will warn the driver about imminent collision with another vehicle, objects or pedestrian. By this technology, the vehicle will brake on the behalf of the driver if the driver takes no action. The second technology is blind spot monitoring system. Using sonar sensor in the rear bumper, monitoring system watch adjacent lanes and alert the driver to other vehicles that might be in the driver's blind spot.